Namaskar. Let us learn today how to do sitting warm-ups. So we will start with joint rotation. We will work on each joint and then we'll do a couple of stretches and couple of dynamic movements. So in warm-up we have thousands of varieties. So in today's video we are going to do a couple of movements for each joints. So let us start. Sit in any comfortable position with spine erect. Now stretch your hands forward. We'll start with the finger joints. Stretch your fingers wide and tighten your palms and fingers. Make a fist. Stretch your fingers and make a tight fist. Stretch and fist. Now start rotating your wrist joints. Reverse and relax. Now palms facing forward. Inhale. As you exhale, bring it down. Inhale and exhale. Continue. And again, start rotating your wrists. Reverse and relax. Now, after the wrist joint, we will work on the elbow joints. So again, stretch your hands in front of your body. Palms facing upward. Now, slowly bring your fingers towards the shoulder. Inhale. Exhale and straighten. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale and relax. Now let us do some movements for the shoulder joints. Keeping the fingers on the shoulders, elbows pointing outward. Now as you exhale, bring your elbows in front of the chest. Inhale, open. Exhale and inhale and relax. Now one elbow pointing up, one elbow pointing down. Change. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now start rotating your shoulder joints. As you inhale, open the chest, exhale, contract. And reverse. Inhale and exhale and relax. We're going to next shoulder movements. Now only move the shoulders and try rotating. As you inhale, open the chest. Exhale, contract. Reverse. Keep breathing. And relax. Now after the shoulders, let us work on the neck area. Sit in comfortable position, placing the palms on the knees. Now as you inhale, look up. And as you exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale up. And exhale and down. And slowly relax. Now let us do side bends. Bring your right ear towards the right shoulder. Inhale center. And exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center, exhale left and slowly relax. Now we are going to do twists. So slowly look towards the right shoulder. Inhale center, exhale left. Inhale center, exhale, inhale and exhale and relax. Now going to do neck rotation. Slowly first bring your chin to the chest. Now as you inhale, slowly go up and exhale down. Inhale half circle and exhale. Reverse. Inhale, exhale and last inhale. And exhale and relax. Now we are going to work on our waist and on our lower spine. So as you inhale, slowly, slightly lean back. As you exhale, try rotating your torso, bend forward and make a circle with your torso. Exhale down, inhale up and exhale down. Reverse. To the other direction, inhale up, exhale down, keep your spine straight, bend from the lower back and slowly relax at the center. Now we are going to do side bends. Place your left palm on the mat, right hand up as you inhale. As you exhale, bend towards the left side. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, bend towards the right. Inhale, center. Next, we are going to do spinal twist. So place your right palm on the left knee, left hand behind. Pull the knee and twist the spine. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center, and relax. Now let us stretch both your legs in front of the body. Now we are going to do the toes movements. Press the toes tightly and stretch the toes. Press and stretch. Keep breathing. Press and stretch. Now working on the ankle joints. Stretch both your feet forward and flex. Stretch, flex. Now rotate both the feet in one direction. Keep breathing and reverse and relax. After the ankle joints, we are going to work on the knees. So now tighten your knees and thighs. Try to touch the lower part of the knees to the mat and release. Tighten, hold for a couple of breaths and exhale, release. Inhale, tighten and exhale and release. Now next knee exercise. Hold the right inner thigh with your hands and make a circle with your leg, like cycling with one leg. Reverse and release. Doing the other leg, same way, cycle with your left leg and release and relax. Now next we are going to do forward bend, keeping both the legs straight. As you inhale, stretch your hands up. As you exhale, bend forward. Inhale, stretch and exhale. And last time, inhale and exhale and relax. Now next movement, place your right foot on the left thigh. Press the knee towards the floor and hug your knee. Press and hug. So we are working on the hip joints. Now start rotating your hip joint by making circle with your knee. Reverse and relax. Now place your right foot on your left hand. Hold your hands like a baby and swing. Sway your legs side to side. Now hug your leg tightly towards the chest, keeping your spine straight. Hold for a couple of breaths. Now try touching your toes, the shin and the knee. Slowly relax your leg down and let us repeat with the left leg. Place your left foot on the right thigh. Bring the knee towards the floor and towards the chest. Inhale and exhale. Now start rotating your knee and rotate the hip joint. Reverse to the other direction. And release. Now place your left foot on your right hand. Hold your leg like a baby and sway side to side. Hug your leg tightly. Keep the spine straight. Try touching your toes, the shin and the knee. Slowly relax your legs and tap your legs up and down, relax the knees. Now we are working on the thighs. So lift your right leg up maximum and bring it down, but don't touch the mat. Continue up and down, keep breathing. You can repeat 5 to 10 times and relax with the other leg. Keeping the knees straight, lift as much as you can and relax. Now slowly join your soles together. Bring your heels close to the groin. Keep the spine straight and start flapping your legs. Butterfly pose. So all these movements I am repeating only 2 to 3 times, but you can repeat 5 to 10 times at least according to the time availability. Keep flapping. And slowly relax. Now place your right palm on the left knee. Pull the knee and twist. Inhale, center. Exhale and twist. Inhale, center. And relax your legs. Now spread your legs wide apart according to your flexibility. Interlock the fingers and try rotating your torso. Make a big circle with your hands. Chakki Chalanasana. As we exhale, bend forward. Inhale and back. Reverse to the other direction. Inhale up and exhale down. Repeat 5 to 10 times and then slowly relax. Join your legs together. Slowly come to Vajrasana. Toes together, heels apart. Sit in between the heels. Take a couple of breaths. Now slowly come to table pose. Palms under the shoulders. Knees hip width apart. Ankles relax. Now we are going to do cat and cow stretch. As you inhale, look up, arch your back. As you exhale, round your back, chin to the chest. Inhale, arch. And exhale. One last time. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And relax. And sit in Vritsasana. So if you want, from here, table pose, you can go to Adho Mukha Svanasana and you can stand up. So this was the sitting warm-up. In next video, we are going to learn few of the standing warm-up. So keep watching, keep practicing. Thank you.